Rookie's Trains.
On your
I'll tell you what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what you want when you really, really want. I'll tell you what you want when you really, really want. Oh, yes, I do.
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, yes, I do. Oh, no, you don't. Drop a bomb there so we can disconnect it. BT! Why are you doing this to me? For Christ's sake! Oh, I wouldn't be laughing if I were you, smiley face. You're gonna become dead. I actually see him. Boom! Go. There's smiley face.
And there's chilly face.
Yeah, nobody cares about you.
Yeah.
I don't think so, yellow man. He probably has yellow fever.
what?
Oh god, I'm gonna get crushed! Oh, no. Shut up! Red, you are going to hell because red is the colour for hell and blood and poo. Oh, come on! Oh, go away, will ya?
No.
To ruin my night. I'm sick of it. Come on, I did Roblox night so I can
Poo!
with you guys, not
Poo!
with naked guys. Right, that's it. I'm leaving this game. Why do you have to do this to me? It's not funny, 254 Snug the Moon.
What?
Yo, it's me, AB Trains. Shout out to my mates, me Ragland, Cody, and me on the deck. You say he's cringe? Let me double check. You're under 13, you look like a bean. Not trying to be mean, but your TikToks are obscene. I have 2K, so what you gonna do? Alfie, really? Your channel is poo.
Poo! Oh no! Poo! Oh no! It's becoming a trend now!